welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I'm gonna be buying the military helicopter in Jailbreak. As you can see, I have $1 million right here. I don't think it's much of a big deal, but you know, I thought I had to get one more video out to you guys today because it's Saturday. Probably not for some of you, you know, if you're in the US or something, you might not be. Okay, hang on. Before we do, let's drop this train. Let's drop this train. Yeet! There we go. Let's drop this train real quick. This should be very quick because this is a passenger train. You just grab, and then you're good. Let's go ahead and grab these documents. And grab documents. Is there something here? Nope. We got spy glasses, briefcase. Let's get. Oh, there's my friend. Big shout out to him for helping me get this money. There's money to get this video. Alright, let's exit. You done? Hang on, you done? Oh, what just happened? I don't know. Yeah, I don't think he's. Oh wait, no, now he's done. Alright, let's get that one, and let's just wait for him to get it. There we go. Alright, let's just head back to the criminal base. Then we can go to the military store and buy the military helicopter. I'm not really sure why I'm doing this video, but I just thought, why not? Alright, so let's just head over there. Let's just come here. And let's just come up here. And oh, it's wobbling. Get back up. I'm just gonna take the long way out. This is very bad. I'm taking the long way out. And go. In you go. And let's cash out this money. $4,000. Very nice. And yeah, let's buy this. I got $1 million right there. 1 million. Actually, more than 1 million. But who cares? Let's go over here. Let's go over here and buy this military helicopter. Alright, where is he actually? Oh, there he is. Oh, he's getting his vault back. And let's go ahead and buy this baby. And we got to buy the Black Hulk. It's not even called a military helicopter. It's called a Black Hulk. Alright, let's buy it. There we go. Very nice. We finally have a dream helicopter. Oh, I have it. And, you want to get in? No? Yes? Yeah, he does. Alright, hang on. Let me try these missiles. Hang on. Let's aim at someone right here. There's no anyone. This is a VIP server. There's no one we can. Okay, let's aim at this. And there we go. Oh. I did true bomb down. Alright, that's very bad. Let's buy some more rockets. There we go. And then you want to click B for this. No, F. Alright, so let's go. Perfect. Look at that beauty. Alright, this is very nice. Don't you think it's very nice? Yeah, I think it's very nice. Alright, this is just like a little fun video. You know, I didn't know what to do for a video, so I'm just gonna do this. So when we finish robbing this thing, we'll get out and I'll end the video here. This is just a fun video, just saying, because I wanted to get the second video out because it's the weekends and I couldn't think of anything else but to do this video. So let's just hurry up and grab this gold. Let's go ahead and exit out here. Let's do this. And that. Let's get that way. Hurry up. There we go. And then go up there. Then go up there. And then there we go. Alright, I'm gonna say ready. Ready when you are. Ready when you are. Let's see when he's gonna start. And boom! Alright, there we go. Very nice. And let's actually test out how fast this is compared to the normal helicopter. And how we're gonna do that. Okay, just get in the front. There we go. Alright, so how we're gonna do that is using the power plant. So I'm gonna test something. Okay. Alright, so basically using the normal helicopter, getting the power plant, finally the power plant uranium thing, it gives you around 5,000 5,100 bucks. All right. And I want to see how much money you can get with the military one. So I'm gonna hop on there. I'm gonna go to TP for test. There we go. And my hand's stuck. Oh, it's not stuck. It's not stuck. All right. I think that's meant to be okay or KK. I'll be right back. Okay. All right. As again, let's head over. The train's actually being robbed right now, but I don't really care because we're in the VIP zone. I'm just grinding money with him. All right. Let's head down here. Let's get this. Let's get this. And you know how to get max money in this power plant? Well, it no longer works. You know, when you have it and you try to do something, it just exits you out of it. So don't do that glitch. You're just wasting time. So let's hurry up and do this. I did it wrong. There we go. And there we go. Swap this real quick. And let's see how much money is it. What did I just do? Is it more than what 5,100? Is it 5,300 and 5,200 is the average for the Tesla Roadster. So yeah, let's just test this out. 1 to 1. Okay, stop. What did I mess up this time? Let me just undo everything. 66. Let's see. 4 to 4. 1 needs to get to 1. All the way there. Yep, there we go. 5 to 5. 5 to 5. 0 to 0. 0 to 0. There we go, got it. And yeet. No, I got stuck a little bit. That cost some money. Alright, let's hurry. I'm pretty sure the Black Hulk is faster than the ordinary helicopter. I mean, oh yep, it is. By now, from here, it should have been 5,900 already. Yeah, it's definitely faster. It's definitely faster. Let's see how much we can get from this. Alright, let's lower in. And let's get here. Down here. And yeet out. Come over here. Oh, we might be able to get 5,400 bucks. Alright, that's better. This is a lot better than the Tesla Roadster plus Tesla, no, not the Tesla, the normal helicopter. And yeah, I guess that's it for the video. Sorry to wait you so long. And this glass is making us fat. Look at that. Look at that. You look very funny with that. Anyway, so that'll be it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure, if you did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. And yeah, see you guys on next time. Bye! And big shout out to it. Bye!